Now, I've had in the past a couple miscellaneous questions that have been asked of the Wren, and I just want to give a couple answers here. One is I've had more than one shop call me and ask me about Autopilot certified for the Wren. To my knowledge, none of the new Autopilots are certified for the Wren. The new Garmin and STEC 3100s, no. I've seen in the past STEC 40, 50, and 60 series Autopilots installed, and we built some Wrens with STEC 60-2 Autopilots. So I know that's something that's a possibility, but as far as the newer digital Autopilots, I don't know of any that are certified for that. The other question I've had is, can we put ART wing extensions on the airplane like you've got on the King Katmai? And the answer to that's no. The tip of the Wren wing is totally different than a 182 wing. There's a large aerodynamic counterbalance out there, and the WingX wing extensions are not compatible with the Wren. So I hope that helps you.